guys, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about Zivame's huge sale. So they have their send-off season sale and it is starting on 14th July at 8 p.m. So stay tuned and order yourself all these amazing things. And there's up to 60% off, and you can also get an additional discount of 10% using my code. I'll put the code right here. So you can use my code to get that additional 10% off. And they also have like free shipping and COD, and there's an easy 15-day return policy or exchange policy. So if you don't like something, you can easily exchange in that period of time. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked up from this amazing sale. I got some loungewear, nightwear, and some lingerie, and also have some shapewear to show you guys. These are all some things that you guys have been asking in the comments, so I hope this video is going to be useful. Now let's begin and I'll show you guys everything that I got. So all of us have been working from home. I think a lot of us have been stocking up with nightwear. So Zivame has really good options for nightwear. Everything is like super soft and comfortable, and also they're like very long lasting. There are some pieces which I got last year from Zivame sale and I still wear them. Now let's begin with some of the basics. So I got pretty basic grey color trousers. These are basically your nightwear or joggers, and it has like the usual drawstring here, and it has girl of duty written over here, which I thought was pretty cute. And this fabric is so soft. It is so comfortable. So whether you're like working from home or like whether you're looking for nightwear, I think this is absolutely perfect. And they have different varieties of collection this time. So they have like themed ones. There was like a picky collection. There's like banyard animals, and there's so many other things that you can check out. They're like really cute prints, and they have like a different lot of sizes. So this one I think is double XL. Yeah, I got double XL, and this is so comfortable. I can't tell you, the fabric is like very stretchable and it is super soft. It's really soft, you guys. You definitely have to get this. So yeah, there's like wide leg pants. You can even wear them for like when you're working out, or if you're like basically stepping out a little bit to like get your groceries and stuff. I think these are really great. I got one more in a peach color because I knew this was super soft. So like I said, I already have few pairs from Zivame and I know that they're very comfy. So this is the next one. It's a peach color. This color is so cute. It's the same one as grey. This has to be my favorite. These two are like really comfortable, and I absolutely love them. Even here, the elastic is actually pretty stretchable. Even the fabric is pretty stretchable, so it will go up even a couple of sizes. So they're like really comfortable. So this is the last one in the nightwear. I got one more pair. So those two are trousers. This one is a set. This is the top. The color is quite cute, and yeah, it has long sleeves. It'll be perfect for the upcoming winter season, and even currently during the monsoon season, some of the days are like really chilly and nice. So yeah, I think it's perfect for that. I think this one is from the Banyard collection. I'm not able to recollect. I will put it here on the screen anyway. So this one has like a cute cow here. So cute. These also have the same drawstring style, and the entire pant has this really cute print, the same cow print in pink. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And even these are quite stretchable. All the collection is really cute. Actually, I had my own a couple of them. But yeah, this is what I got from the nightwear section. You definitely have to check out the collection. It's very comfortable. So I got this from the shapewear section. I actually have a black one in the same thing, which I got some time back during a sale from Zivame. So this one, again, shapewear also, they have like different kinds. They have like corset ones. They have like longer ones which go until your knee to basically tuck your thighs and everything. This one is actually a tummy tucker, so it comes like a shorts. So whenever I'm draping sarees, also a lot of you guys ask what kind of shapewear I use. So the shapewear that comes in Zivame, I use that for the lightweight sarees, that is the georgettes or any of those ruffle sarees. They sit really well. And for the normal sarees, which are heavyweight, like Upto sarees and all that. I use this tummy tucker, and then I use the normal petticoat. It gives you that like right fit. Of course, you can wear them with your normal dresses and everything, and it doesn't show up. The lines don't show up, so it's pretty comfortable. At the same time, if you are looking to wear a particular type of dresses where you want to use shapewear, then this is great. And they're also quite short, so you can even wear them with knee-length dresses, or you can wear them with your skirts and everything. So yeah, if you're looking for shapewear, then definitely check this out. And all of these are on sale, so this is a great time to get them. I already have the saree shapewear in a nude color, so I did not get it this time, but I'll link it in the description box, so check that out. So if you're wearing any Georgette sarees or any lightweight sarees, like even the work sarees, I find them very useful. So it gives a really nice silhouette. Continuing with the shapewear, these are some tummy tucking panties. So I was actually looking to get them in nude color, but I think they were not available. They were probably sold out. So these are your basic panties, but with a broad line here, so they sort of act like tummy tucker. Even if you're not a curvy girl, generally also these are pretty useful. Whenever you want to wear like dresses which will give you a little fitted look, or when you want to wear some particular styles and when you don't feel comfortable, then these sort of tummy tucker panties are really handy. So yeah, you should definitely have them in your wardrobe. These come in really useful. So this time I did not get a lot of lingerie, so this is the last piece. So this is what I got, because there's a sale. I wanted to get this. I already have this in, I think, a nude color, so this time I wanted to get it in a little darker beige. So this one is very comfortable. So padding comes inbuilt like this, so it's very seamless. So whenever you're wearing some certain types of fabrics, like even satin, this one works out really well because there is no lines anywhere and it is seamless. And they have these detachable straps, which also I was looking for. So this is perfect for when you want to wear something strapless, or when you don't want your strap peeking out, like for your sleeveless dresses or your strapless dresses, then this works out really great. It has this kind of fit here, so it actually stays put, it doesn't budge. So there's one more which comes without the padding. This is from the Zivame's I think innovation collection. I've shown this in one of my earlier videos. I can't find it right now. I think it's in my other house, but I'll link it in the description box. That one doesn't come with pads, but the fit is amazing. It'll actually stick to your body nicely, and it is seamless, so it works great for certain types of fabrics and the lines won't show up. And even that one is strapless, so you can remove the straps and wear it, and it comes in really handy for certain types of fabrics which are a little sticky, and like satins or even your georgettes. So for certain types of dresses which are a little fitted on the top, for that also that kind of bra works out really well. So check out that as well. I'll put a picture right here from the website because I don't find it right now. I think it's another house, but I will link that as well. So yeah, if you're looking for something without padding, without built-in padding, then that's great. So that is everything that I got this time from Zivame's sale. So like I said, everything's on a huge sale. There's up to 60% off, and I'll also leave my discount code right here. You can use my discount code to get additional 10% off, and there's an app as well, so you can check out the app. You can download the app and directly add everything to your cart and purchase from there. So that was all about Zivame's send-off season sale. So there's a huge discount starting on July 14th. So check out all the products. I'll be linking everything in the description box, so you can use my code to get that additional 10% off. Let me know what other videos you would like to watch, and I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I also have a Telugu channel. Do subscribe to that one as well. I'll be uploading videos every week on both my channels. I'll also link my Instagram right here. Follow me there as well for a lot of fashion videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.